Hello, thank you for coming. What are we going to look at today? Well, yes indeed, the Commodore 64. Here is the keyboard, and it's kind of yellowed and, but not in horrible shape. All the keys are there, but that is not what we are going to look at. The keyboard is not. This is the machine. It's all there, at least I think it is. I have no notes, none at all, on here, so I have no clue if this works, or this does not. And when did I last look at it? Not a clue. Not one. Ooh. Okay, this is worthy of the big screen. Well, look at that. Okay, obviously, there is an issue. Now, let's try that again. Alright, nothing came up that time. Oh, dear. Well, I will put in a dead test cartridge. I'm thinking it might have a chance of kind of working. Maybe. It may not look right, but I think it might have a chance. Oh. Well, or it might look right. Now, is this going to tell us anything? This is one of the first times I can remember the dead test cartridge. Oh, stack page. Bad. What the heck does that mean? And I think now that it's found something bad, it's not going to keep going. Stack page. Well, that's interesting. Alrighty. I'll turn it back on one more time. And we see nothing. Well, you know what? I'm going to try something different here. Mostly, I take things out and I try them on the other machine. And that's what I do for this moment, because something in my gut says PLA chip. I'm going to try a new PLA chip. Look at that.
That was easy.
No Twilight Zone today. Now, is there still potential other issues? Well, sure there are.
That was easy. That was easy.
So, we're going to put this dead chip in the bag with dead chips. I'm not even going to try it in the other machine. And then we're going to see if everything hasn't improved. In this machine, the ROM chips are socketed, the PLA is socketed, and the SID chip is socketed, as well as, of course, the video. I'm just looking around for any other signs of any obvious flaws, and I see none. I do see none. Although, it's funny, as I look at the one ROM chip, it really doesn't look very well seated. But I'm not not going to touch it while this is on. Alright. We're getting ready for the sound check. And maybe we'll have this time break, it will start. Whew. Well, that is pretty fantastic. This does not happen. But yet it did. Simply put, a bad PLH. Oh, okay. So how? Yeah, this is not attached really at all. Maybe I should add some screws. Perhaps. Not that I don't have any handy. Now this one. Remember, when you're putting in screws, really, don't reef on them. Don't reef on them. I know the old saying, tighten it till it snaps, then back off half a turn. You know what? Don't do it. I'm just going gently snug. And I'm not even going to put all these in. But enough. Alright, so what do we have here? Had bad PLA. Excuse me. Oh no, I'll leave that there. Works 2019 December. Sound okay. So we will document. But you know what? I might have had this machine hooked up before. Who knows when? But without a note, how do you know? Now, the reason I'm just holding off, I'm switching the monitor. I'm going to turn this back on. Whoosh, it comes up. So here is the keyboard that seemed to be with this. And judging from the back of the case and the fingers, it looks like indeed it might be the right one. It might be, it might not. How do you know? I mean, so I'll connect the LED. I'll try and get this to close ever so gracefully without snapping something. Why is this not working? Come on, dude. I don't like these things. Okay. I really just, what is going on here? Well, this movie doesn't feel like it fits quite right either. Oh well. There's nothing the screw won't fix. Anyway, I just want to turn it on. And just see. Alright, what's up here? Now this keyboard could be dirty. It is in properly. Let's see if anything works on it. Yeah. Some things. I would say it's a dirty keyboard. And you know what? Because of that, I'm not gonna put it on here. I'm gonna put this in the pile of keyboards. Oh, I am. I can always resolve that later with a better one. So what do we got? A working 64. Isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna put this cartridge in just for fun. Oh, look at that. Okay, seems to work before. One voice is one octave four. Alright, I don't have a keyboard hooked up, but it's nice to see that this cartridge kind of does something, because I think I had it in another machine and it didn't seem to want to do anything. Voice imitate. Oh my god. Oh, that didn't feel good. No. Part of the plastic on the cartridge broke off. As long as the machine still works. The machine still works. Okay, so we are documented. I'm going to put this with the working 64s. And then I suspect we'll look at another machine. There's always another one. There is. So thank you for being here.